Hey guys, so in this video, I will be teaching you how to enable Google Chat or how to switch from the classic Google Hangouts to the new Google Chat. So let's get started. So first, go to gmail.com. And after Gmail opens, we need to click on the settings icon on the top. And here we need to click on see all settings. And here we can see that we have many subdivisions in the top, but we need to click on chat and meet. And here we can see that the classic Hangouts has been enabled. To change it to Google Chat, we need to click on Google Chat over here. It will say welcome to chat in Gmail. Click on OK. Then we need to click on Save Changes. It will automatically reload the page. And now open a new tab. Type in chat.google.com. And voila, you have enabled Google Chat. So thanks for watching my video.